How's it going, guys? It's Mouseball, and this is the Attack Mouse Nation, and welcome to Motoring with Mouseball. And guys, I know it's been a long time since I made a long form video, and for good reason. You know, trying to run the shop has not been easy, and obviously, you know, when you have to do so many cars and you've got so much on your plate, it's pretty hard to do all these extracurricular things like make YouTube videos. But Mama Mouse has had me actually post some shorts here and there. So, I mean, I am posting content, just not as often as I'd like to post it. And honestly, guys, I like to really get back into the swing of things, and this is a good reason why, you know, with this 1972 Fiat 500L behind me. But I figured I'd tell you guys about the situation that happened on October 25th of 2024 when we were approached by a random person who had no shirt on, was completely bald-headed, and was pretty much spewing racial slurs at us left and right. And yeah, it was pretty bad. But nevertheless, when it comes down to it, we had to protect the property, and we had to do what we had to do to make sure that we kept customers' cars safe. So it seems as though the police have actually released the body cam footage, which is great because I've been meaning to talk about this situation for a long time and how dangerous it is to run a business and have just random people show up who you don't know what their mental health is like. I mean, they could be off their rocker and you have no idea until it's too late. So now that the police have dropped the footage, well, it's a good idea to show the Attack Mouse Nation exactly what we were up against, and obviously what the police were up against. Unfortunately, the police didn't show up that quickly, and I had to pretty much subdue the guy myself and keep him immobilized until the police arrived. I was told to let him go. He started beating on the rest of the cars in the background, and from there, he swung on the police officer and was completely dropped to the ground quicker than I've seen anybody get put to the ground. And he was taken away to the hospital, and obviously he was put in jail for about a couple of months and was bailed out. And now 2 of the charges have been dropped. So I hope you guys can check out the video. I'm gonna post it in this video so that way you guys can see exactly what happened. I'm gonna go to the best parts of the video because in the beginning, I start talking about what happened and explaining what happened, and basically, let's just say I got pretty ripped apart in the comments, you know, being called Morty from Rick and Morty. And to be brutally honest with you guys, after comparing my voice when I was shook up and seeing the cartoon, yeah, it was pretty funny. But nevertheless, it is the internet. That's what happens, and you are pretty much open to the criticism and the opinions of, you know, the entire world practically. But nevertheless, Mama Mouse said that I couldn't have handled it any better than I already did. And I'm just happy that the shop is safe, my dad's safe, and the family is safe, and that I can continue on doing the things that I love doing. Because when it comes down to it, just because you have to deal with the outside public and a majority of them are pretty mentally ill, you know, it's a very good idea to try to protect yourself, know the law, you know, concentrate on the municipality that is writing all the laws, because if you don't know what laws they write, well, guess what? You're subject to going to jail yourself, even though you're protecting your own property. I know it sounds crazy, but a majority of the rules are written to protect the criminal. Well, in most cases, what they consider protecting human life. But I think if you are trying to hurt others, if you're trying to destroy people's property, if you're trying to do things that are disrupting civil society, well, you pretty much, you know, revoked your human card a long, long time ago. But nevertheless, guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and let me know what you think in the comments. Hopefully we handled it the right way, because if we didn't, we'd probably be in court or in prison. But I think that we used the right amount of force to immobilize the person and keep them out of the shop or keep them from hurting anybody else in the shop that was present. You know, especially my dad, who's, you know, in his upper 60s. So check it out. Tell me what you think.
Yo. Hey.
What? What's
Step over here. Do it now.
What?
Get down. I need you to get down. Get down on the ground for me. You hear what I'm telling you?
I'm not here.
Do what I just told you to do.
You're just attacking my family.
What is your problem?
You're attacking my family.
All right. Turn around.
What?
Charlie, why don't I single 20? Stand right there. Just say right where you're at. You hear me?
I'll be 51.
These families, my family.
I don't care. Hey, listen. Listen. You need to turn around and face the car. Do it now.
Fuck you.
Turn around. Do it now. You hear what I'm saying?
Oh, that's what I thought, nigga.
Turn your ass around.
That's what I thought. You embarrassing for your family.
You live around here or something?
What?
Do you live around here or something?
Yeah, I do, nigga.
Step back.
You embarrassed me in front of my family, nigga.
Step back.
You embarrassed me in front of
Step
my
back.
family, nigga.
Understand what I'm telling you? Yeah, if I get a unit, it'll be good.
You embarrassed me in front of my family.
Where do you live, man? You're gonna get tased, you hear me?
Do it.
Fucking asshole. What's the
Okay.
matter with you?
You scared
Do it now. Turn around. Turn around.
You a scared ass nigga. Do it, nigga. Do it, nigga. You scared ass nigga. Do it, nigga.
57.
Take me my thing, nigga. Do it, nigga. You scared nigga.
Turn around. Hey, relax. You're gonna get tased, bro.
Do it, nigga.
Come on. Put your hands behind your back. Do it. What's wrong with you? You fucking kidding me? Have you lost your mind? Turn around. Do it now. Get on the floor. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
If shit was going
Do
on,
it. Turn around.
if shit was going on, what would you do?
Turn around.
What would you do?
Hand behind your back.
Nigga.
Do it now.
If shit was going on, what would
Turn
you
around.
do, nigga?
93 Charlie 1, you still have 4?
You think? I swear to I need her, please, I nigga, I swear to I swear to please, nigga, please, nigga. Oh! Just stop on my knees, I swear I'm gonna kill you, nigga. Oh, nigga, I'ma swear, yo, nigga. Swear, yo, nigga. Please forgive me, I will pay.
Working here, this guy just comes up, you never seen him forever, just acting crazy. He punches a dent in his Fiat in the door.
Yeah, he hit this car too, and that's when I went to go cuff him.
And then, but he's all, he hit him up pretty good, his face is all bleeding.
Him?
Yeah, he was scratching him up and stuff, waiting for pieces of it, so.
Well, we just talked to him.
Huh?
We just talked to the guy.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Well, he's messed up.
Yeah, we're gonna go take
This
care
guy
of
punched
that.
another guy in the face, he's bleeding a little bit. Oh, he knocked down Justin, he kicked him in the stomach and all kinds of stuff. Come on.
Where's he at?
Right there.
Did he fight with you?
Me and my son.
Oh, he fought with both of you.
He punched him in the face, then he kicked me in the stomach, knocked me down. I can't walk.
Yeah.
I couldn't walk.
Okay.
If I'd have been able to walk, you wouldn't have had to fight with him.
Ever tell you guys why he was pissed off or
No,
anything?
he was just going ballistic, calling us niggas and this
I've
and
never seen him before either. in
No,
this area.
and here's the thing. He says, let me up. So we backed off and let him up. And the moment damn well he swung on my son and caught him in the face. And when he did that, I gave up my foot and I put him back on his ass. Because we were just holding him, but he just kept hitting and hitting and hitting and hitting.
He's got to be on something.
He had to be.
I've never seen him before in my life.
And I knew he was on something because his strength is incredible.
He's definitely on something.
Yes.
Yeah, well, that's why I held him there for a little while. But when he punched your car, I said, "Let me put the cuffs on." When I did the cuffs, he just started. So I just took him down and pinned him onto the ground.
No. There's no spitting, no kicking, no nothing in here, right?
Brian was charged with aggravated battery on a person 65 years or older, criminal mischief $1,000 or more, and resisting an officer with violence. At the first appearance on October 26th, the court found probable cause, appointed a public defender, and set bond totaling $24,000 across the charges. The defendant later posted bond and was released from custody on November 5th, 2024. However, on November 19th, the state reduced or dropped some charges. No action was taken on the aggravated battery and criminal mischief charges. The defendant pleaded not guilty and waived arraignment. Since then, multiple court hearings have been scheduled and continued, but the defendant has repeatedly failed to appear, causing delays. The most recent update on July 8th, 2025, shows the defense filed a motion to compel the state to produce the CAD report, likely seeking dispatch records relevant to the case. The case remains open and pending as of now, with the next hearing scheduled for July 23rd, 2025.
And stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy. And remember, when random people come showing up, always make sure you're prepared for anything. Take it easy, guys. Mouse ball out.